Hi, buddies! It's me, Titi! Today we are going to make English muffin pizzas! Yummy! Those pizzas look delicious, and they make a great snack or a lunch or dinner. Before we begin today, remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you in the kitchen to help out. Let's begin with some English muffins. This forms the dough of our pizza and makes them really quick and easy to put together. Take your English muffins, and here to the side I have a variety of toppings. I've got spinach, artichokes, olives, and then for sauce I've got a plain regular tomato sauce as well as a green pesto sauce. And you can't forget the cheese to sprinkle on top. I recommend mozzarella, that's the classic pizza cheese, but if you want to use a different type of cheese, feel free. I'm going to put some tomato sauce on this one. Spoon a little bit of sauce onto each English muffin and spread it out. I like to have a lot of sauce on my pizza, so I'm going to put a little bit more so it's nice and saucy. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now I'm going to add some cheese on the top. If you like a plain cheese pizza, you can just leave it like this, but I think I'm going to put a few toppings on it. This one, I'll put some sliced black olives. Some other toppings that make a great choice for these little pizzas are mini pepperonis, ham, sausage, crumbled bacon, peppers, mushrooms, onions. You get the idea. Anything you put on a regular pizza, you can put on a mini English muffin pizza. Looks good to me. Once they're ready, place your English muffin pizzas on a prepared baking pan that's lined with parchment paper. And I'm going to continue and make another pizza. This one will have some pesto sauce instead of the tomato sauce. I love pesto sauce. It's one of my favorite types of sauce. Feel free to get creative with the different types of sauce you use as well. Think of barbecue sauce or ranch or any of your favorite sauces. Terrific! Let's put some cheese on top. I love cheese. I could eat it almost every single day. This one, I'm going to put some spinach leaves on top. Very nice. This one's done, so I'll place it on my baking pan. Let's make some more. If you happen to have a toaster oven, you can make just one pizza at a time in your toaster oven, and it makes a great afternoon snack or a small meal. I'm making a lot of pizzas today, so I'm going to cook them in the big oven. Can never have too much cheese. I'll put some artichokes on this one. Yum, I love artichokes. Last one. I think I'll make this one half tomato sauce and half pesto sauce. There are no rules when it comes to making your own mini pizzas. Just have fun with it and use whatever toppings you love. And now for some cheese. For this one, I'm gonna put a little bit of all my toppings on there. Olives, a few artichokes, and some spinach. Delicious. What's your favorite pizza topping? Would you look at that? What a lovely spread. And now that our pizzas are all prepared, it's time to place them in the oven. Bake your English muffin pizzas at 400 degrees for about 7 minutes or until the cheese starts to get melted. Time to take our pizzas out of the oven. Smells delicious. Since I don't want to burn my mouth, let's leave them on the pan to cool for about 5 minutes before digging in. Wow, these English muffin pizzas look and smell fantastic. I am ready to try one. I think I'm going to start with one of my everything pizzas with all the toppings. Here goes. Extra good. I love the crispy but chewy on the inside English muffin dough, and the cheese is melted and delicious, and the toppings just bring the whole thing together. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast making these mini English muffin pizzas, and I hope you will give it a try at home and have fun experimenting with lots of different toppings, different cheeses, sauces, vegetables, meats, whatever you want to put on it. Just have fun with it. I'll see you again soon, and have